Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions, bringing you a bonus tip here real quick on Chief Architect Premier X18. With the new room label functionality, the living area is a little different. Let's get right into this here. You'll notice that I don't have the living area for either first or second floors. And I'm going to do our typical double click on the arrow. And let's see, it says suppress. Let's zoom in on that. It's checked suppress living area label. Ooh, I uncheck and click OK, and it's still not there. All right, so I'm going to select that exterior room. You can see it that all the exterior area is highlighted, and this child tool right down here is really handy because it says the label is not displayed. I know it's not displayed because there's no check mark, and the tooltip says display the label in this view. Or I can click the little open arrow and open that room. And let's zoom in right there and click on label, and it says suppress label in all views. So I click, uncheck that, click OK. And there's my living area. Let's go down to first floor. Living area is not there either. I'm going to select that exterior room. And this time I'm going to click on the child tool, display label in this view. And there it is. I hope that's helpful. If you find this information valuable, click like and subscribe, and leave a small donation at paypal.me/designbuildsolutions if you find this education is valuable to you. If it saves you time, saves you headache, there's value. Have a great day. See you next time.